Hi everyone, welcome to MashMath. Today we are going to study chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, exercise 8.2, question 2. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. So here the sum is given to us and you have the options here. So we have to choose the correct option and justify your choice. That means we have to solve and show. So here in this question you have 4 parts, but in this video we will see only the first 2 parts. Okay. So now this is nothing but you have to just put the value and solve it, and then you find whether it is getting the correct option or not. So now just let us put the value to tan 30 degree. So you have to learn the table by heart, or else you should know how to make the table. Okay, so tan 30 degree value, get it from the trigonometric table. You should know this table by heart. Okay, so tan 30 degree. So tan is here and then 30 is here. So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3. Then 1 plus tan 30 again. So 1 upon root 3. And square is here, so square. So now let's solve this. This 2 into 1 we will get 2, and root 3, this part is solved, numerator. Now the denominator part, this 1 plus, so this is in square, so 1 square will give us 1, and root 3 square, root 3 square. So square, if we cancel, the root also will get cancelled. So that means we will be left with 3. So now you see here in denominator nothing is there, whereas here in denominator we have 3. So like this, when you get, you have to take the LCM. So in denominator here now you consider there is 1. So here 3 is there. We want in this denominator also 3. So for that what we will do, both the side we will multiply with 3. Then we will get here also denominator 3. So here also and here also we will multiply with 3. Then what we will get, this let's write down as it is, root 3 upon this part. 1 into 3 will give us 3. Then 1 into 3 will be 3. Here plus is there and this is same. Now we see both the side denominator we got the 3. So now what we will do, once we will write down. So this numerator part you write as it is upon this, here also 3, here also 3. So common we will write only one time. So this is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 upon here denominator is same. So one time we will write. So this will give us what? This I'll write down here. Root 3 upon here what we have, 3 plus 1 is 4 and upon 3. Okay, so now this what we will do, this is whole thing is in denominator. So when we bring to this side, it will go to multiplication. So this will write down as it is, root 3. So the whole thing, when we get it this side, it goes to multiplication, but then reciprocal. This will come up and the other numerator will come down like this. Okay. So now what we will do, now you can multiply, 2 3s are 6. Now this we can also simplify. Wait a minute, this 2 will get cancelled 2 times here. So then we will have here 3. Here we have 2, here we have root 3. So 2 into root 3 will give us this. Okay, so now whenever in denominator you see irrational number, now you see in denominator we have the root 3. So whenever you get in denominator like this, we have to rationalize this. Rationalize means remove the root from the denominator. So for that what we will do normally, with the same number we have to multiply both the side. Okay, so rationalizing the denominator. So for that what we will do, same number you have to multiply both the side. Okay, so See, with the same number, both sides we have to multiply. Then what we will do now, 3 2s are 6. Then root 3 is here. Now this has become 2 times. So 2 times means this is like this. Okay. 2 times means it becomes square, no? Square. Then what you will get? This 6 root 3. 2 square, this square is common, right? So 2 square will be 4. And into this root 3 square, I told you, square goes means root also will go. So then we will get 3. So that will give us what? This still you can simplify further. 3 1 time, 2 times 6. So now we will get here. Again here we have 4 we have. So 1 times 2, 2 times 4. So then we have root 3. Then you have 2 left here. Okay. So now more than this now we can't do anything. So let's see now. Is there option like this anywhere here? No option. So let's see now this comes in which value in trigonometry table? Root 3 upon 2. So we have root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2 is sine 60. Root 3 upon 2 is cos 30. Let's see what are the options we have here. Sine 60 is there, but cos 30 is not there. Okay. So you see, cos 30 is the same value, but here cos 30 is not given, but it is 60. Tan 60 is there. Tan 60 is root 3. So that also doesn't suit. Sine 30 also no. So it comes sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. So sine 60 is the correct answer. So you can write down here sine 60 degree is the correct option. Is it clear? So now let's see the third one. This also you can write down here. Okay. Now the second part of this sum. So same way only we have to do, just put the value of it. So let's write down 1 minus tan 45. What is the value for tan 45? Tan is here, 45 is here. So that means 1. Tan 45 is 1. So 1. Then square is there. So square. Now 1 plus tan 45, same value. Square is there. So square. So let's write down 1 minus 1 square will be 1. Then 1 plus 1 square will be 1. So that will give us 1. This is plus 1. This is minus 1. So we'll get 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. So any when 0 is divided by any number, it becomes 0. So our answer is 0. So among the option, let us check. We have 0 anywhere. Yes, we have 0. So this is the correct option. And this is our actually justification. Okay, what we have solved is justification and the correct option is here. So that's it. Now third and the fourth part we'll see in next video. Thank you and God.